What if 5 products on Amazon could completely change your daily life, and none of them cost more than $25? These aren't random finds. These are the gadgets people buy twice. Once for themselves, and once for someone they love. Links to every single one are in the description. Let's get into it. First, the mini electric garlic chopper. Chopping garlic by hand is one of those kitchen tasks everyone hates. The smell on your fingers, the uneven cuts, the wasted time. This device eliminates all of that in 3 seconds flat. A 23-watt motor drives 4 sharp stainless steel blades that chop fast, clean, and uniform every time. Garlic, ginger, onions, nuts, even meat. One touch, done. And it's not just powerful, it's built to last. High-strength PC container. Thick stainless blades engineered for daily use without losing performance. No cords. Charges via USB just like your phone. Up to 30 uses per charge. Use it in the kitchen, while traveling, even outdoors. Clean up. Detach the cup and blade. Rinse under running water. 0 lingering odors. Ready for the next use in seconds. This is the gadget you gift to your mom, and she calls you the next day saying it's the best thing you've ever given her. Link is in the description. Next, magnetic cable organizer clips. Look at your desk right now. Cables everywhere. Charging cords falling behind the table. Hunting for your phone cable every single morning. These clips fix that permanently. The unique magnetic locking design uses a 60-degree rotating shaft. Place and remove cables with just one hand. Unlike regular cord holders, the magnetic clamp snaps open and closed smoothly every time. The 7.5mm slot holds almost everything. Phone chargers, USB cords, thick HDMI cables, even laptop power cords, yet grips slim iPhone silicone cables without them falling off. Upgraded acrylic adhesive sticks firmly to wood, glass, ceramic tiles, and more. Leaves 0 residue when removed. A replacement sticky pad is included so you can reposition them as many times as you want. 9 clips per pack. Desk, nightstand, car dashboard, wall beside your bed. Set them once. Your space looks instantly cleaner, instantly more organized. Link in the description. Next, the portable clip-on mini fan. It is June, it is hot, and this is your new best friend all summer. A turbo motor hitting 13,500 RPM delivers serious cooling power across 4 adjustable speed levels, from a gentle breeze for quiet environments to a full turbo blast for outdoor heat. The clip rotates 360 degrees. The head tilts 180. Attach it to your bag strap, baseball cap, baby stroller, car sun visor, or a chair at a concert. Smart LED display shows your speed setting and exact battery level at a glance. You never guess when it needs charging. Type-C fast charging, 0 to full in 4 hours, and it still works while charging. Weighs just 4.16 ounces, lighter than your smartphone. Quiet enough for offices, church, even lash appointments. Summer essential. Link in the description. For the readers, the Rechargeable LED book light. 3 light colors, warm, white, and neutral. Switch between them to match your environment and protect your eyes. Flicker-free technology means 0 eye strain even during long late-night sessions. Stepless dimming gives you a smooth, continuous brightness range, not just 3 fixed levels. The built-in timer lets you set automatic shut-off anywhere from 1 to 99 minutes. Perfect for falling asleep while reading without wasting battery. A 1200 milliamp battery delivers 5 to 35 hours of light per charge via USB. HD transparent lenses spread light evenly across the page without bothering anyone else in the room. It also doubles as a kid's night light and a cozy bedside lamp, if there's a reader in your life. This is the gift. Link in the description. Last, the sticky whiteboard desk pad. No frame, no magnets, no wall damage. Peel and stick. This dry erase surface bonds firmly to tiles, glass, wood, plastic, and even curved cabinet doors. Everywhere magnetic boards simply fail. Write with any dry erase marker and wipe completely clean. Permanent marker stain? A little alcohol removes it instantly. Ghost-proof surface? No shadows, no residue from old writing. Repositionable. Move it to the kitchen for your weekly meal plan. Bathroom mirror for daily reminders, or office door for task lists. It keeps its stick every single time. Made from a smooth nano surface with pure white coating and strong foam adhesive. And the best part, cut it to any custom shape or size with regular scissors. Students, planners, home offices, classrooms. This is a no-brainer upgrade. Link in the description. 5 products, all under $25, all genuinely worth every cent. Every link is in the description. Grab them before the prices change. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which one you're buying first. Is it the garlic chopper, the cable clips, the mini fan, the book light, or the whiteboard pad? Let me know down below. I read every single comment. If this helped you find something useful, hit subscribe. New finds every single day. See you in the next one.